Welcome to Playtime with Kayla. Oh, it's cool.
So this game is called Animal Jenga.
Animal Jenga? What's an animal Jenga?
No. So what you have to do, we will each get a turn to roll the dice. Roll the dice, yeah. And now you see you got a dog. Whichever animal the dice lands on is the animal block that you must choose to remove from the stack.
Take a piece. Okay, this one has a dog.
So wait, we must explain one thing.
Yeah.
So you've played Jenga before, remember, with your cousins? So the person that makes the stack fall down loses. So you got to be careful which building block you take, which one you choose, and be very careful you don't make the whole stack fall down.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa.
Easy. Then one block for me.
Very good. Okay, Mommy's turn. Ooh, a bit of frog. Maybe this one. Uh-oh. Okay, your turn.
Piggy. Piggy. Okay, so I'm gonna get a piggy.
Alright. Good job.
That was close. You turn. I hope Mommy's going to really not win today.
I got a cow.
I wish I can get a lion.
Oh, I'll take this one. Whew. Okay.
Get a lion.
Oh gosh, you know what you're supposed to be doing? When we take our blocks off, we're supposed to be putting it back in the top. I forgot about that.
You.
Okay. Whose turn is it?
I got a lion.
Alright, go for it.
I think I'm going to. That wasn't tricky. Now put
Good
them
job.
at the top.
Yep, well done. Very good. Okay, Mommy's done.
There.
What I get?
A dog.
A dog.
What about here?
Yeah, I think I might. Oh.
I think that will get really easy.
Woohoo!
I got a cow. A cow. Where's the cow?
Wow.
Beat that.
Okay, you gotta stack it back at the top. Turn it. Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, it's a cow.
Again. You know what you haven't got is the mouse.
Okay.
You know that. You should aim for a mouse. Okay, let me see if I can take this one out.
Oh.
Oh.
Must I get it for you?
No, I'll get it, don't worry. Oh, thank you.
I did it really softly. My turn.
The dog.
Well, I think I must get a mouse.
I think you should too. Okay, go.
Where's the mouse?
markers.
Okay. Get a mouse. Ooh.
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 Well done. Okay, put on the top. Okay. Ooh.
A mouse.
Oh. Scary. Let me try this one again.
Okay, lion. No. Yeah.
Good job. Okay, gotta put on the top. What I get?
You get a mouse.
Uh-oh. This is a tricky one. Let's try, yeah.
No.
Okay. Click on put on the top. Thank you. Well done. Whoa.
Lion.
Lion.
Again.
Well done, Kayla.
It's your turn.
Put it on the top, babe. Gently. Gosh, mom's gonna battle with this one. What do I get?
You get the cow. Frog.
What about that froggy there? Whoa, well done. Okay, put her on. Yes. Okay, put her on top. Be gentle. Wow. Okay, it's mom's turn. I'm getting kind of nervous. Woo!
Mouse.
Mouse. Oh no. This is gonna be a tricky one. Okay, I'll try. Oh!
That's too hard.
I have to take a mouse though. Gonna try. Oh. What? I can't believe I did that. You should get a pig. You haven't done a pig, yeah? Whoa. What about this? What about this one? What about this one in the middle?
Oh.
Yes. Okay, gentle, gentle, gentle. Whoa, that is impressive. Well done. What I get?
Frog.
A frog. Oh no, oh no. Okay, alright. I think. Oops. Well done, you won. High five, Mummy. That was cool, hey?
We almost do it all again.
Let's do it again. But before we do it again, let's do a domino chain reaction. Okay, now let's do it in super fast mode.
You got the last one.
Okay, where do you want to put the last one?
Maybe here.
Alright,
Do it.
go for it. That was cool.
That was brilliant. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. And remember, never stop having fun. Bye.